Ashley.
Hi, my name is Brandon.
And today we're gonna make spider cookies. What you need is cookies,
eyes,
toothpicks,
Reese's,
Whoppers,
and chocolate chips.
And white chocolate chips too. This was inspired by some of the pictures from Crafty Morning.
We made different sized peanut butter cookies.
We're each gonna go into 2 separate teams, and we each have 20 minutes to do this. And we're gonna get to decorate 3 and pick the best one. So let's get started to it.
Let's go. Wait,
we're not dressed for this.
Much better.
I think I'm gonna go first.
Okay.
The time's ticking, and my vision is I'm gonna use the Reese's peanut butter cups as the egg sacs, and I'm gonna melt white chocolate, see if it works, and I'm gonna use this toothpick to do a spiral all around it. And I'm gonna put the googly eyes on to make it look more realistic. So I've got my chocolate, I've got the Reese's, and my chocolate's melting over there. Time's up, but I did 3 masterpieces. I think this one's the one that I'm gonna go with as my top of the 3, because these two kind of look a little like they're aliens from another planet. So let's go with the original. I think I could probably win the competition. Now it's Brandon's turn.
My sister's a master decorator, but she might go over the top, so I'm gonna stay simple. Well, I'm done. It wasn't as hard as I thought. I did one with 3 humps. 2 was really big disaster. And 3 I'm okay with. So I think I'm gonna pick number 1. I hope I win. This was really fun.
Yeah, it's a great way to get ready for Halloween.
But I think mine was more accurate because it had 8 legs.
Well, mine only has 2 body sections and yours has 3. So mine's more accurate.
We can't decide who won, so you decide.
We hope you enjoyed our video. Thanks for watching. Bye!